This is my life.
Come on, this is my life.
This is my life.
This is my education.
This is my education.
And I will succeed or fail.
And I will succeed or fail.
Because of me.
Because of me.
This is my life.
This is my life.
This is my life.
This is my life.
This is my education.
This is my life.
But some of us, you doing some stuff for a fact you know you're not supposed to be doing. You're around some people you know you're not supposed to be around. Matter of fact, some of you are around some people that they use you and you don't even know it. Hey, listen to me. Second guess them. Listen to me. In 2019, here's what we're going to do. We are going to start having auditions for friendships in 2019. Listen to me. Listen to me. You cannot be my friend just because we grew up in the same hood. Nope. Listen to me. If we on two different paths, it don't make sense. So you got somebody, listen to me, and I love all my friends that's still in the street. I love them, but I keep them at a distance. Yep, I sure do. Now, you can tell me, well, Mike, that's cruel. Mike, that's mean. At the end of the day, I am a black man in America. I cannot afford to go to jail. Period. I can't afford to be in the jail. They talking about, well, Mike, I just need a ride. Bruh, you trapping. I can't afford for you to be inside my car. We get pulled over and I gotta go to jail and I'm not even in that kind of lifestyle? Nope, can't afford it. So, between me and you, what you can do is, maybe, and that's if I love you enough, I might meet you somewhere, because what I don't want to happen is that we out, somebody see you, and then they end up, and I end up in the casket for something I had nothing to be a part of. So I'm telling you, 2019, here's what we are doing. Everybody that is your friend, I want you to ask yourself, why are y'all friends? I had to do this a while ago. I had to ask myself the question. Had to ask myself the question. Okay, so everybody that I say is a friend, I had to ask myself, are they helping me or are they hurting me, right? Are they giving you good advice? And now, here's what's going to happen now. You can love your parents dearly, right? Love everybody in your family dearly. But sometimes even our parents and our family members, good intentions, but they can give you the wrong advice, right? So I had mom was like, well, you should be doing this and doing that. I'm like, Mom, no disrespect, Mom, but you never went off to college. So you can't help me as far as like choosing classes because you dropped out. So yes, good intentions, but they can't give you the right information. So for some of you in here, you might be a first generation college student. I'm like, oh, you need to come talk to me. I give you all the right info. Why? Because I've been there, done it, got the t-shirt in it. I'm like, come talk to me. So all I'm saying is, in 2019, I want you to be sure that you put the ownership 100% on you. If you fail, if you end up, God forbid, you end up pregnant or locked up or whatever may happen, I want you to know that you are a product of your choices, not of your environment. It's the choices that you make. So every single choice that you make, ask yourself, is it taking me towards graduation? Is it putting me further in my future? So that's the only thing I want you guys to leave out with. So look, I want you to say this after me. I want you to say this. So let's repeat this, and I want you to be loud and clear. This is my life. This is my education. And I will succeed or fail because of me. This is my life. This is my education. And I will succeed or fail because of me. So look, as we go into the new year and as we go into Christmas, guys, I really want you to be serious. Like, for some of us in here, you don't take yourself serious. And I'm putting you to the test now. I want you to take yourself serious. Like, look, I'm not saying that you can't have fun. I'm not saying that you can't joke. I'm not saying that you can't laugh. But there's a time and a place for everything. And I'm saying, I want you over this Christmas break, I want you to give yourself your own Christmas gift. And here's what I want your gift to be. I want your gift to be to your own self is that you, from this day forward, you give 100% effort in every single last thing. 100% effort. So this Christmas, give yourself Give yourself the gift of, I'm going to give 100% of everything in my life. Not just my classwork, not just my grades, but with my life. So let's repeat it for the last time today. This is my life. Come on, this is my life. Come on, this is my life. Come on, say it like graduation count on it. This is my life. This is my education. And I will succeed or fail because of me. Come on, this is my life. This is my education. And I will succeed or fail because of me. Last time, this is my life. This is my education. And I will succeed or fail because of me. Because of me. Because of me. Because of who? Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.